Hello, dear artificial intelligence enthusiasts. Welcome to our video today about the fascinating world of humanoid robots and their groundbreaking role in our future. In the coming minutes, we'll dive deep into this exciting topic and explore how these human-like machines are poised to revolutionize various industries and change our daily lives in ways we might not even imagine yet. Imagine a world where robots not only work in factories, but also in hospitals, schools, and even in your own home. A world where they assist you with your daily tasks, keep you company, and can even save lives. This future is not far off, thanks to the rapid advances in robotic technology and the decreasing costs of their production. It's a future that's both exciting and a little bit scary, isn't it? But don't worry, we're going to break it all down for you. Let's first take a look at the leading companies that are at the forefront of this robotic revolution. Firms like Unitree, Figure, Tesla, and Boston Dynamics are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're developing robots with unprecedented agility and dexterity, suitable for a wide range of applications across various industries. But giants like IBM, Amazon, Toyota, and Honda are also making significant contributions to this exciting field. It's like a high-tech race, with each company trying to outdo the others in creating the most advanced humanoid robots. One of the main reasons why humanoid robots are now on the brink of breakthrough is the drastically reduced costs. In the past, high prices were a major hurdle for widespread adoption. But imagine this. A few years ago, a humanoid robot cost around $200,000. That's right, the price of a small house. Today, the price is about $80,000, and the target price tag for a fully functional humanoid robot is only about $110,000. That's an impressive price reduction that makes this technology much more accessible. It's like the early days of computers. Once they became affordable, they started appearing everywhere. When we think about the total cost of ownership, which includes factors such as energy consumption, maintenance, and potential subscription services, the economic case for humanoid robots is becoming increasingly compelling. This cost reduction is paving the way for broader market integration across various sectors. Soon, it might make more financial sense for a company to invest in a robot than to hire a human employee for certain tasks. It's a shift that could reshape our entire economy. But let's talk about the amazing capabilities that modern humanoid robots possess. They have high levels of agility and manual dexterity that allow them to perform a wide variety of tasks. Imagine having an assistant who never gets tired, doesn't need breaks, and can work around the clock. These robots are well suited for many low-skill jobs such as warehouse work. They can lift heavy boxes, sort goods, and compile orders without ever needing a break. No more back injuries for human workers. Janitorial tasks. Imagine your office or school being cleaned by robots that can reach every corner and clean thoroughly. They could work through the night, ensuring a spotless environment every morning. Assembly line manufacturing. In factories, they can perform repetitive tasks with utmost precision, never losing concentration. This could lead to higher quality products and fewer errors. Delivery services. Robots could deliver packages without ever getting lost or stuck in traffic. They could work 24/7, potentially revolutionizing the e-commerce industry. These are just a few examples of tasks that often involve repetitive and physically demanding work that can be efficiently handled by tireless robotic workers. But the possibilities don't stop there. In healthcare, humanoid robots are already being deployed to assist the elderly and those with special needs. They can provide a level of care and companionship that was previously unattainable. Imagine a robot being able to be with an elderly family member around the clock, administering medication, helping with personal care, and even providing companionship. This could revolutionize elder care, allowing more seniors to live independently for longer. The potential applications extend far beyond these examples to encompass a vast range of commercial and industrial use cases where robotic precision, strength, and endurance offer significant advantages. From performing delicate surgeries to exploring dangerous environments, the possibilities are truly endless. Of course, the integration of humanoid robots into the workforce will undoubtedly have profound economic implications. While robots have the potential to take over many low-skilled jobs, concerns arise regarding job displacement and the need for new regulatory frameworks to govern the use of robotic labor. It's a double-edged sword. On one hand, robots could free humans from dangerous or monotonous work, but on the other hand, they could lead to significant unemployment if we're not prepared. Licensing and liability issues are particularly challenging, especially for robots performing high-risk tasks in industries like construction, mining, and emergency response. Imagine a robot working on a construction site and an accident happens. Who is then responsible? The robot's manufacturer, the company using the robot, the programmer who wrote its code, these are complex questions that our legal systems will need to grapple with. Companies are actively pressuring governments around the world to create legal frameworks that assist the safe and responsible deployment of robots, ensuring they can operate effectively within the bounds of the law. This is crucial not only for the companies developing these technologies, but also for public safety and acceptance. When we talk about the timeline for the adoption of humanoid robots, we can draw comparisons to other transformative technologies like automobiles and smartphones. While it took many years for those innovations to achieve widespread market fit, experts predict that humanoid robots will find their niches and begin transforming industries within the next few years. The pace of technological advancement is faster than ever before, which means the integration of robots into our daily lives could happen much more quickly than we might expect. Factors such as statutory job requirements and cultural differences will play a significant role in determining how quickly robots are adopted in different regions. Countries like Japan and China, for example, tend to be more receptive to robotic technologies, which could accelerate their integration into various aspects of daily life and work. In Japan, where an aging population is creating labor shortages, robots are already being seen as a potential solution to maintain productivity and care for the elderly. Looking to the future, the potential of humanoid robots appears immense, with applications spanning domestic, commercial, and high-risk environments. Economic pressures are driving the adoption of robotic workers as companies seek to reduce labor costs, increase efficiency, and gain competitive advantages. This could lead to a significant reshaping of our global economy. However, this shift will necessitate the development of new post-labor economic models to address the disruption caused by the widespread displacement of human workers by robotic labor. Imagine a world where many traditional jobs have been taken over by robots. What would our economic system look like then? How would we distribute income and design social safety nets? These are crucial questions that economists, policymakers, and society as a whole will need to grapple with in the coming years. Some have proposed ideas like universal basic income as a potential solution to address the job displacement caused by automation. Others suggest that as robots take over more mundane tasks, humans will be free to pursue more creative and fulfilling work. Whatever the solution, it's clear that we'll need to rethink our current economic models to adapt to this new reality. Another important aspect we need to consider is the cultural acceptance of humanoid robots, which varies widely between different regions and demographics. Some societies, such as those in Japan and China, are more open to embracing robotic technologies due to cultural factors and generally positive attitudes towards innovative technologies. In these countries, robots are often seen as helpful assistants rather than job-stealing threats. In contrast, other regions may be more hesitant to welcome humanoid robots into homes and workplaces, requiring longer timelines for societal acceptance to catch up with technological advancements. Imagine how different the reactions could be. In one culture, a robot waiter might be seen as exciting and progressive, while in another, it might be perceived as strange or even threatening. These cultural differences will play a significant role in how quickly and smoothly humanoid robots are integrated into different societies around the world. However, as robots become more seamlessly integrated into various aspects of daily life and their benefits become increasingly apparent, they could become as ubiquitous as smartphones are today. They could fundamentally transform how we live and work, much like how smartphones have changed nearly every aspect of our lives in just a few short years. Imagine a world where humanoid robots are as commonplace as your smartphone. You wake up in the morning and your robot assistant has already prepared breakfast and summarized the latest news. At work, humans and robots work side by side, each bringing their strengths to the table. In the evening, a robot caregiver lovingly looks after your elderly parents while you spend time with your family. This might sound like science fiction, but it could be our reality sooner than you think. This future may seem both exciting and daunting, but it's getting closer with each technological breakthrough. The challenge for us as a society will be to shape this development in a way that benefits everyone. We need to ensure that the integration of robots into our lives happens in an ethical and responsible manner, that we create the right legal and economic frameworks, and that no one is left behind in this new world. As we move forward, we'll need to address important ethical questions. How do we ensure that robots are programmed with the right values and ethics? How do we prevent them from being used for malicious purposes? These are complex issues that will require collaboration between technologists, ethicists, policymakers, and the public. The journey into this future with humanoid robots has only just begun, and it's up to us to shape it. Will we seize the opportunities and master the challenges? The answer to this question will significantly influence our lives in the coming decades. It's an exciting time to be alive, isn't it? How do you see the future with humanoid robots? Are you looking forward to it, or does it worry you? Let us know in the comments and join the discussion. Your thoughts and perspectives are invaluable as we collectively navigate this new frontier. Remember, the future belongs to those who shape it. So be part of this exciting development and stay curious about the possibilities that lie ahead. Who knows? You might be working alongside a robot colleague sooner than you think. Did you like the video? Then please subscribe, and if you would like to be informed the next time I upload a video, then activate the bell. Until then, stay real.